everybody. So today I'm going to be talking a little bit to you guys about the top 5 things you should know before taking your vehicle to a dealership or repair shop. So the number one thing is, and I really hate this the most when it comes to any type of automotive repair facility, and that includes dealerships, shops, independent shops, anywhere you take your vehicle to have it serviced, is the main thing that's on my pet peeve list is scare tactics. When any type of service advisor or service writer or something of that sort tries to, when they're coming to you to try to sell something to you or some type of service or repair, and they tell you that, well, if you don't change your wiper blades, you're going to have an accident and crash and die. Something along those lines, and just make it just out of the blue craziness that just makes it seem just ridiculous. And they're going to try to tell you different things, and that's one of the things that I really hate the most when it comes to any type of repair facility. If they're using some type of scare tactic to scare you into buying some type of service just because they're on some type of commission-based service, or just so they can make upsells or numbers or whatever the case is, if there is some good people out there that try to sell you something and recommend things to you, but if they're using scare tactics, like god-awful scare tactics, again, like I said, if they're trying to tell you you're going to wreck and die, or something like that, just to try to scare you into buying some type of service, you really need to step away from that type of shop or find you a different type of repair facility. The next thing on my list is, and you can take this knowledge anywhere you go, whether it be a dealership, independent shop, anywhere you go, to make sure, you want to make sure that you have someone who is certified to work on your vehicle. You don't want to just some Joe off the street working on any type of truck or vehicle, or any type of your transportation that you may have, or anything really. That goes for cars, boats, whatever it is. You don't want to just anybody off the street. You want someone who knows what they're doing and at least have some type of certification. Most repair facilities or repair shops, you can walk in and talk to a service advisor or the manager and say, look, hey, I want someone who's going to be certified for the job and has the knowledge to work on my vehicle, who really knows the inside and out. That's why a lot of people go to dealerships instead of just an independent repair facility, because they know that the job's probably going to get done right. And by factory trained technicians or someone who's really certified for your specific vehicle. And like I said, you can always ask about their level of certification, whether it be the ASCs. Are they really certified to work on my vehicle? Just because they have a window sticker or sign in the window or in front of the shop that says we have ASC certified mechanics or factory trained technicians, or whatever the case is, you can always ask for their certifications. Now, whether or not they want to release that information to you is on their discretion. The next thing I'm going to talk about is properly equipped shops, and that is because you don't want to go somewhere to take your vehicle or any type of something that you're getting service done. You want to make sure that that shop or repair facility is properly equipped, whether it be the proper and more up-to-date facility that has proper or newer style wheel balancing machine. Are they equipped for doing tires? Are their technicians equipped to work on your vehicle? So what kind of equipment does that shop have? Are they working with good computers? Are they working with what kind of diagnostics are they working with? You don't want some jackleg just really coming in and just hooking up a scanner and charging you $200 to tell you what your check engine light is. So you want to know that you're going into a good reputable shop. And that takes me to my next point, reputation of shops. There's plenty of reviews out there, Yelp, Google, whatever it is. You can find some type of review online, but if not, ask around in town. Ask around different people, hey, have you heard of this repair facility or this shop or this dealership before? Have you had good experiences? What was your experience? Was it good? Was it bad? How long did it take? How much do they charge? You want to find somewhere who, as far as a repair facility, that's going to have a good, or at least decent standing in the community, and that has a good reputation. So now, no matter what it is, you want to find somewhere that has a decent reputation Now you're going to have people who have bad experiences, but if the overall experience just keeps going bad and bad and bad versus the good, like I said, you're going to have at least one bad egg out of the bunch. It's just bound to happen. Someone has a bad experience, or they just didn't like the way things were handled. One person shouldn't, deny you from going to some place. Now, like I said, if you got multiple people or multiple reviews online or somewhere that says, "Hey, don't take your car here, they're jacklegs," or whatever the case is, you want to find someone that has a good, reputable shop, reputable technicians. The company itself has a good reputation. As well as cleanliness. You want to make sure that a shop you're going into isn't just, hoarding parts and a whole bunch of cars laying around. You want a clean shop. If you're going to walk into any type of repair facility or repair shop, you want to make sure that you're going into somewhere that might at least have a little decentness to their facilities, whether it be their restrooms or their shop, their storefront itself. First impression someone might get of a shop or a facility or wherever, it really takes a toll on somebody. And you as a consumer out there, whether you're in the business and you're working in a shop, or you yourself as a consumer, you might think to yourself, well, damn, this place is really dirty. They've got, crap laying everywhere and just tires and extra parts. Are these parts not getting put on these cars, or what's the deal here? Why are they not, having some type of time to where they can, or do they not have somebody who can keep the place clean? Which happens sometimes, but if you walk in somewhere that's just honestly just disgusting and nasty, you can honestly turn away your business unless you just really know someone there that's going to take care of you, or you've been going to somewhere for a while. That's something you should really look at and really consider before taking your vehicle anywhere to any type of facility to get your car serviced or repaired. It doesn't matter if it's a dealership or shop, independent shop, or mom and pop shop. It doesn't matter, but you want to make sure you're taken care of and your vehicle's being taken care of as well. You don't want to get your vehicle back with dings, dents, and scratches and all kinds of other problems going on that you may not have had before. You want to make sure that someone's repairing your vehicle correctly, and not just hacking up stuff and just throwing on parts and just charging you a high rate of labor, and just for something that you could have got a lot cheaper somewhere else or better service somewhere else. So keep these things in mind, guys. Anytime you're taking any type of vehicle, whether it be motorcycle, boat, car, truck, whatever it is, to any type of facility, and you're going into somewhere, think about these things. Like I said, Scare Tactics, do they have good technicians or mechanics? Are they certified to work on the equipment? Or is that shop, properly equipped to work on your vehicle or your, whatever you're getting maintained? Make sure they have a good reputation, and make sure they have a decent shop, storefront, whatever it is. You want to make sure it's a decent repair facility. So take all these things in consideration, guys. Anywhere you go, it should be a really consideration for, take that across the board for anywhere. Whether it be you're going to any type of retail business or, repair facility for your vehicle. Take all these things in consideration. Just because someone tries to tell you something, you can always have a second opinion, which will be another time for another video. But I appreciate everybody watching, staying up to date with my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you stay up to date on my videos and my content. If you like today's video, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Keep on wrenching.